गोयच्या समेस्त जनतेक हे येवपी नवे वर्स सुखाचे आनी भरभराटाचे वचचे म्हण नव्या वर्सा निमतान गोयच्या आर्चबिशपान गोंयकारांक संदेश दिला. तशेंच नव्या वर्साची गोंयकारांक परबी भेटयल्या. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Today is the last day of this year 2017. We need to thank God for having accompanied us during this year and showered so many blessings. As we are on the eve of the new year, I would like to wish all of you, those in Goa and abroad, a truly joyful and grace-filled New Year 2018. On the first day of the year, the Church celebrates the solemnity of the Blessed Virgin Mary, Mother of God. May her exemplary life inspire us, and may Mary, our Heavenly Mother, protect us, our families, and our communities. Once again, I wish you a truly happy new year, full of God's abundant blessings.